Today we are going to talk about Zoho versus HubSpot. How do we compare Zoho CRM and HubSpot CRM? Number 1. Zoho CRM is more affordable than HubSpot CRM. Number 2. Features. Number 3. Ease of use. Hi everyone, welcome to Tech at Cloud Analogy's YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Zoho versus HubSpot. These are two of the most popular CRM platforms on the market and they both have a lot to offer. So which one is the right for you? Well, let's discuss about both of them one by one. Zoho CRM is a cloud-based CRM platform that offers a wide range of features including sales, marketing and customer support. It is a great option for businesses of all sizes. It's affordable, easy to use and packed with features. Zoho CRM is available in a variety of pricing plans starting at $20 per user per month. Now, if we talk about HubSpot CRM, it's a cloud-based CRM platform that is known for its marketing automation capabilities. It offers a variety of sales and customer support features, but compared to Zoho CRM, HubSpot CRM is a bit more expensive. HubSpot CRM is available in a variety of pricing plans starting at $45 per month. So now, how do we compare Zoho CRM and HubSpot CRM? Well, here's a quick overview of some of the key differences. Number 1. Zoho CRM is more affordable than HubSpot CRM. Number 2. Features. HubSpot CRM offers more advanced marketing automation capabilities than Zoho CRM. Number 3. Ease of use. Zoho CRM is easier to use than HubSpot CRM. So which CRM platform is right for you? Well, it depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for an affordable and easy-to-use CRM platform with a wide range of features, then Zoho CRM is a great option. If you're looking for a CRM platform with more advanced marketing automation capabilities, then HubSpot CRM is a better choice. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you decide which CRM platform is right for you. But either side you are on, Cloud Analogy is here to help you out in every possible way. Cloud Analogy is a leading cloud computing and IT solution providing company specializing in HubSpot and Zoho implementation, integration, customization, consultation and development. Feel free to reach out to us to fulfill your business needs. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Also do subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more videos alike. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.